In this video for the hashtag The Pro Challenge, we're doing the Ritchie Valens classic, amazing song, La Bamba. Stick around because this thing is awesome and I can't wait to see what you do with it. Now, La Bamba has a strum pattern that may be one you recognize, and also the chords. Check this out. Remember, same three chords, C, F, and G7 as Twist and Shout, and same strum pattern. But we're going to change it up just a little bit to add a little variety. Check this out. Did you catch it? One little mute is going to happen on beat 4, and I'll show you that. There's also a stop in this song. So this one's going to be all about the chords, the strum pattern, and the singing. Don't forget, we're going to do a little tutorial up front, and then at the end, we're going to do a play along, and then you have to record your version of it. Now, if you want this song sheet that's going to have the intro in it, I'm going to play the intro, but I'm not going to teach the intro in this lesson. But if you want to do it yourself, it's totally fine. It's not required as part of the challenge. But anyway, that will be available. I'll put a link below where you can get this printable song sheet. So what should we do here? What should we do? I kind of played it a little bit already, so let's just dive into it. Right? We got 3 chords. You should know these by now. If not, we're going to go over them real quick. We got the C chord. We got the F chord, as I'm rocking here on my Rebel Quark. And I got the G7 chord. All right, that's it. Just those 3 chords. Now, the strum pattern, as I mentioned, is I'm going to do the basic version first, and then I'm going to show you the mute on beat 4. It's kind of cool. It's hard, but it's kind of cool. So the strum pattern is going to go. So let's just do that first. Okay, so remember that. It's just going to go down, down, up on the C chord. Then you're going to switch to the F. You're going to go down, up, down. And then on that upstroke, you got to hit the G7 on the upstroke. Let it tie over to the next measure, and then up, down, up, down, up, okay, for the rest of that measure. So it's really a 2-measure pattern. Okay, let's do it real slow. 3, and it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and... Now that's it. Now, I say that's it. That's actually harder than it looks, especially if it's new to you, or maybe you didn't get it down when we did our last song, Twist and Shout. But we're going to challenge you. We're going to move it up one level here. And by the way, I was just thinking, when I showed you that strum pattern earlier, I might have missed a down up. I can't remember. The jets are out flying, the kids are out playing, but that's how we're doing it here. All right, so check this out. That's it. It's subtle, but it's cool. So we're going to go start on the C chord, down, down, up, F, down, up. Now on that last downstroke, which is beat 4, we're going to mute. Okay, so I'm just going to grab the palm of my hand, hit on the string, and mute, and then followed by a quick upstroke on the G7. Let it tie, and then and 2, and 3, and 4, and, okay? That's it, that 1 mute on beat 4. Okay, so let's try it. Nice and slow. Ready, and 2, and 3. There it is, yeah. And 1, 2, and 3, and mute. Up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, that's hard. You can do it, though. Might take a little practice. Just focus a little bit on it. All right, now, the way we're going to do this with the play along is I'm going to do the intro. I'm going to do the intro. I'm not going to teach it. Again, it's on the song sheet if you want it, but this intro right here. We all know it. We all love it. Get it down. It helps. Actually, it's pretty necessary to have a low G if you want to do it in this range. If not, you're going to have to play it up an octave. All right, so what's going to happen, though, for our singing? Check this out. We're going to do that little intro, so the little last part. Pa-da-ba-la-la, Bamba, and then right there on the C. So we have a vocal pickup again. So a lot of these songs have vocal pickups, okay? So if you're not doing an intro, even if you're not singing, you're going to start ba-da-ba-la-la bamba, ba-da-ba, and you're going to be in right there, okay? So let's try it. If we're going to do this, well, let's just dive into it. What the heck? I was going to say, should we do it slow? Maybe we will. Let's do a slow version, and we'll do a fast version. I'm going to do the intro. I'm going to sing. You don't have to sing, but I highly recommend it. Great song. You're going to learn hear my Spanish. Okay. By the way, your vocal melody is right there, that F note, because it ends on the G7 on the stop. Ba-da-ba-la-la bamba, and then you're in. Okay, here we go with the intro. 2, 3, and... nope, there's a pickup here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and with this pickup. 1, 2, 3. Pa-da-ba-la-la bamba, pa-da-ba-la-la bamba, se necesitan un poco de gracia, uno poco de gracia para mí, para ti, arriba, 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 por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Everybody here, come on now, and la ba bamba, ba ba bamba, ba ba bamba, ba ba bamba. And we're gonna stop right there on that G7. That's it. We're not going to do the whole song. You don't have to do the whole song. It's pretty short, actually, because it's the same thing over and over again. So there it is. One of those stops we have. Let's just go over that and we'll do the fast version. So the stops, they happen right on that upstroke on the G7. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, and ba-da-ba-la-la-bamba, right there on that stop. All right? A little tricky? Absolutely. Simple song that's a little tricky, right? You hear them, they sound simple, but they're a little tricky. Let's do this, though. Let's do this. I'm pumped. Let's do it. We're going to do the fast version. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, remember, we got to pick up for even the intro here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Pa-da-ba-la-la-bamba, pa-da-ba-la-la-bamba, se necesitan un poco de gracia, uno poco de gracia para mí, para ti, arriba, 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 por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán, soy capitán. Ba, ba, bamba, la, la, bamba, ba, ba, bamba, ba, ba, bamba. You can let that last one ring out there. All right, there's La Bamba. Don't forget, you got to do your version of it. Couple things to remember. You do not have to play the intro. Cool if you do. Don't have to do. Do not have to sing either. Again, cool if you do. So, all right, I can't wait to see your post. Good luck on this one. Again, if you want the song sheet, you go ahead and find that link below. Grab that. Do the best you can, and we'll see you next time.